Alright, let's make a creamy chicken marsala. Take your chicken breasts and split them in half if they're too thick. Cover and flatten them out so that they cook evenly. Season with salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. Now dust with flour and season your chicken the same way on the other side. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and a little olive oil. Cook your chicken at least 5 minutes on each side. Remove the chicken from the pan. Now add 2 more tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces of mushrooms, and about 2 diced shallots. 1 spoonful of minced garlic and saute until your onions are translucent. Add 1 cup of marsala wine and cook until it reduces. Now add about a teaspoon of chicken bone broth and 1 cup of heavy cream. Mix in well. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Then season the sauce with a little salt and pepper. Add your chicken breast back into the sauce. Now cover the chicken with some of that sauce. Cover and simmer on low for 15 minutes. Remove the cover and season with fresh parsley. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my video for sweet chili meatballs.